Welcome, best developers in the world. Please consider smashing the like button.
Good day, everybody. My name is Bright. I want us to talk about why most people failed in their programming journey. Most people failed in their programming journey because they were stuck on programming syntax. So they study the basics of programming. They study about variable, integer, and string. And they also dive into advanced studying of loop, while loop, if and else statements. But after studying all these things, they lack the understanding of putting them together. So you notice some people after schooling, after whatever they have studied, they were stuck on that particular place because they don't know how to put them together. It's like um molding your blocks, but you don't know how to arrange your blocks in order to build a house. Let us see it this way. In every programming language, the most important thing that you should understand in programming language is if and else statements. Why did I say that? Because whatever you're going to do in programming language is more or less like if and else statement. Let me use this variable. Name is equal to Bright, and the age is equal to, let's say, 20 years. Depending on your age, I'm not 20. Now, how can you differentiate if Bright is the one entering into your website? It's simply if and else statement. If this name is equal to Bright, that means it's Bright. In PHP, we can say echo. In Python, we can say print. Do you get it? Now, if it is not Bright, that means it's not Bright. Console log is not Bright. I'm talking about JavaScript here. So whatever you are going to do in authentication, if a user is authenticated, hey, that means the user has logged in. If the user is not authenticated, the user have not logged in. So understanding if and else statement guarantees your journey in this field. Look, don't be afraid. If you make mistake, your computer will not break. What will break is the code. Your computer will not break. Don't be as afraid of Googling. Everybody Google. Understanding this makes your journey easy and love what you are doing. Don't do it because you just want money. Do it because you have passion for it. Because if it's money, sometimes along the way, you will be discouraged. Along the way, you'll be discouraged. If somebody tell that you can't do it, tell the person that I said it's a lie. Bright supports you and Bright believes in you that you can do this. If me, I'm able to study programming, I'm still studying, I'm still learning, and I'm still building projects, how much more you? You can do this. We can do it. You can do it. Just be polite, love people, and ask questions. Don't be tired of asking questions. Even in the group, people can be like, you ask questions too much. It doesn't matter. Continue asking questions. In that group, there are people who love to answer questions and they will answer you. The more you ask questions, the more you become better. Please consider smashing the like button. Okay, it will encourage me to do more. I have decided this year that I'm going to take it as a battle. I'll also be doing tutorials on programming. You get it. You can do it. I can do it. I remember getting a job when I started programming newly. I got a contract. I have never built a project for the contract. I have never built a project for somebody before. When I got a contract to build a movie subscription website in Ghana, then I got this friend online. He said he will help me. I asked him how much will you take. He said, "Oh, he will do it from his heart that not going to charge money." Along the line, before he did small this and I say it's nice. Me, do I even know whatever because that's my first time. Then he said I should pay him. And honestly speaking, I told my client that I'm not ready for money. I'm not going to take the money until the project is completed because I don't even believe in myself that I can do it. So I don't want anything that is going to make me feel bad. So I don't want that money. One thing about me is that if I can't do the job, I don't want the money. Then Later, I told him, and I wasn't having money. I would have given him so that if I take from the client when the project is done, then I would have taken my money. But I wasn't having money. To be honest, I was broke. So he said he will not do it again. I said, okay. Then I bowed and I prayed to my God. I said, God, please, I need the money. I will need the money to survive, to even eat food and survive. Then I start doing research, I start building, I start asking questions. I noticed after building it wasn't responsive. Someone in the group told me that I should use Bootstrap. That was how I started Bootstrap. Then I used Bootstrap. It was a little bit okay. The front end, I started googling on PHP, how to use it on the back end. At the end of everything, I got it. After everything, I present the project to the client because I also use mobile money. I integrated it. I remember I used iPay then.